Cocktail number 2. Now this is also a simple serve. This is RedLeg Pineapple's signature serve, their recommended serve. This is very simply their pineapple rum and tonic water. Don't really need too much of an explanation because it is that basic, but I'm going to make it for you anyway. I'm going highball. I don't think gin balloons are meant to go with rum. That's just my own personal opinion. If you want to make it in a gin balloon, you go for it, but I like my highballs. I'm just going to put a bit of ice in there to start off with. Then we obviously want 50ml double bubble of our rum. So 50ml. There we go. Then lime. I would say lime is very much a just to taste. I think for me personally, I'm just going 1 wedge of lime in there. You can add 2, you can add 3 if you really want to. I'm just going 2. But for the tonic water, here's an interesting one for me. I have played about with this a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. I'm actually going Fever Trees tonic water because I think as much as I love Schweppes 1783, there we go. It's my, oh, by the way, that works really well. That works really well. Whew, they all work really well. But as much as I love Schweppes 1783 tonic water, the Fever Tree is just a little bit more bitter, and I think that bounces off the sweetness of the pineapple a little bit better. Marginal, but a little bit better. I'm not getting pretentious on you. I just think it makes a little bit better drink. It's going to be a 1-to-3 ratio. I think that's perfect for this. So 50ml, 150ml. There we go. Bit more ice. Take our long spoon. Just give it another little stir. Oh, that is amazing. I really love rum and that pineapple tonic. It's opened my eyes up to the whole new rum and tonic world. Really is nice. I wouldn't say rum and tonic is going to be a big thing, but there are certain tonic waters that will come out to play with rum over the next few months. I've got some crackers lined up for you. But that's just such a nice summer refreshing drink. Absolutely love that.